tak kasih liwan kai bat ini perlu jangan ini perlu jangan kita iban apar liwan yalam iki sakali cakap balik namar ngak kuat bat promote ya cakap sakwai rup nangadai nak sini kan kuat bat ini kata morok domorweng pa kene ka domorok Markham adon kata ke jingkring ka congka bat internet penyapi ya kibril te perlu kamtami para kasih lebih pimpatik ya kene jaka sawan pekang ni apo Markham domorok dar pilaj nakan si kadon ke ke jingking pin cross na kamon tala po ilan ni nak lara piwan showroom pin cross na kadiam lara piwan shaneng pin cross na kamot domon pinya be terter pin koi ke kalat manli selabutun koi manwan tinongba hang tahila po ya kene ka Markham perlu kublai sibun pek petang ibamca kaca suni babas perlu jangan nitien rice Iwan agani ka jaka. So if another person also, if he don't understand in Kasi, so this my friend, this is my friend will come here in Domorok, Markham tourist spot. She is a very beautiful place. So if you want to see, come Mairang and Mairang, front side Mairang and Kenshi. In Kenshi, there is one small road. If you coming from Shillong, from Mairang, from the right side you turn. If you coming from Nongstoin side, left side you turn, and then you
come to Tinongba side. You just
side.
come to the Tinongba side, and from Tinongba you just turn, take the right, and you come to the straight, the Markham place, and you can enjoy this spot very well. You just please, as much as you want to explore the place and you need to enjoy the place, you can come here and enjoy the place and explore the place as well. And you won't get this place never and ever all over this India. I don't know about the world, but I hope world also. But this is the best place. Never ever you can visit other place.
So much.
Thank you so much. And if you want, please visit this place.
Yeah.